Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, fan, and heatsink. Removal. Disconnect the power button ribbon cable from its ZIF connector on the USB board. Remove the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Carefully lift the USB board up, off of its alignment pins, and out of its cutout on the top cover. Replacement. Place the USB board over its alignment pins and push it gently into its cutout on the top cover. Replace the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Connect the power button ribbon cable to its ZIF connector on the USB board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.